This is my first technical video on YouTube, so I thought to start with Leetcode daily challenge. So the problem for today is to transpose a matrix. The transpose of a metric is just to flip the matrix over its main diagonal. That is, we are swapping the matrix row and column indexes. So what is present on the first row and second column, after transpose it will be present at second row and first column. Similarly, like -1 is present at first row and third column, after transpose it will be present at third row and first column. Similarly, let me also give an example where the number of rows and columns are not equal, like 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here I could see rows are 2 and number of columns are 3. So after transpose, in the resultant matrix we are having 3 rows and 2 columns. So first row and first column after transpose it will be the same. First row second column after transpose, second row first column, and first row and third column after transpose it will be third row and first column. Similarly, it goes with 4 5 6. So this original matrix after transpose, it's giving me this result. So let's quickly move to the coding part. I can start with calculating the number of rows in the original matrix. I can now declare a resultant matrix. So in the resultant matrix it will be the reverse. Number of rows in original matrix would now be number of columns in resultant, and similarly the number of columns in the original matrix will now be number of rows. I am going to return this resultant matrix and I am going to iterate over the original matrix as well. So here I am having matrix ij element which will be stored at resultant ji, as I have swapped the rows and columns. So that's the coding part. Let me run the code. It's accepted.